Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Today's video is just an afternoon update just on Bitcoin. I will be doing my videos later on all the other cryptos that I want to look at for later tonight. So we'll be doing that later tonight. But for right now, we're going to concentrate on Bitcoin. We're going to concentrate on the downside, and we're going to concentrate on what happened with this bounce. Okay. So as you can see here, we did bounce off my level of 42. Well, I had 42,686, and we came up to 42,638. And guys, I don't know why I said we could maybe get a bounce up to 42,400 yesterday when I had this line, and I also had it on this chart as well, which is actually a little bit closer to the number. I had it at 42,641, and we had 42,638. So I don't know why I said that yesterday. So I do apologize. I did say 42,400. 42,300, 42,400 when I had these lines here, but I do apologize about that. I don't know why I did that. So, anyways, but either way, we got rejected here, guys. It doesn't matter. We got rejected here. We're coming back down. Um, we are breaking this triangle that I had here um, on the short term. You can see in the long term. This is on the hourly chart. On the long-term chart, guys, we're still holding our pattern. But let's see right here. Let's see if we can get a bounce. We're going to go back to the hourly chart. Let's see if we can get a bounce. Let's see if they can hold this 40,000. Right now, it looks like they're really fighting this 40,800 to 40,700 area. They're really trying to hold that up. The Bulls are really fighting. If this does fall under 40,000, we could maybe see a bounce at 40,300 or 39,980 area. If that does break, then yeah, I'm looking at my 38 to 37,300 target, guys. That's just the bottom line. We've been talking about it. We did get a nice little bounce here, but it just got rejected. I mean, it wasn't going anywhere. I expected that, guys. Unfortunately, I did. But we're going to look at the indicators here. Um, we got the MACD coming down, crossing on the hour, short term, RSI. We got the coming down. We have the vortex indicator, the red line crossing above the green. We got the volatility indicator coming up. So that means there's volatility here. What else? Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour. We had our green and then we had our red. So now you can see here on the MACD, we're coming down. RSI coming down. Vortex crossed right back here. And you can see right when it crossed here and started going back up is when we start getting that red flag when we hit this peak right here. So let's see what happens. Maybe we get a bounce. Volatility going down on the 4 hour, but the RSI is going down. So that means momentum's going down. So we could get a little downside here. But let's see if that 40,000 holds up, guys. If we get a daily or a 4 hour candle closing under 40,000, then yeah, I'm looking for those targets that we've been talking about. All right. And I also want to give you guys the hash ribbons here. And if you guys don't know and you're new to this channel, you could go to templates. You could go to MAEXP ribbons. Okay. And you can see the ribbon right here coming down on the daily flipping. Now, the last time this flipped, okay, this is the 20 EMA right here. Okay. So you guys can see it. This is the 20 EMA. It flipped over the 55. The last time that happened was all the way back here when we were right around 56, 57,000. And then we dropped all the way down here to the 29. Now, guys, I want you guys to know, some of you guys that have been following me, because this is a new channel. I started this channel back here on the downtrend about 3 months ago. And for some of you guys that have been following me from day one, I see you guys still in the comments. Comment in the video, guys, and talk about what we were talking about back here, right? We talked about this. We nailed these targets to the dollar. I mean, the 28, we got this 28 to the downside. I'm perfect, guys. This 28 500 or 600 area. Then we called this bounce right here perfect. And I said, guys, this is the bounce. We got the bounce. Okay. Then you can see where we flipped the ribbon. Then we got the bounce right off my line. Guys, here's the thing. I called this bounce. I called this bounce. Okay. Then when we came up here, I called this rejection. And okay, so here's the crazy part, guys. I drew this out. And then I drew the bounce, I drew the rejection, I drew this up here, and then I drew the pop over our bump and run. And I did all this before it even happened, just like I drew this out here the other day. Well, actually, I erased it, but I drew all this out and I showed you guys what I thought was going to happen. Okay, when I drew all these lines, you guys can watch that video. But anyways, I had this all drawn out. I erased it. I should have left it, but I was trying to clean up the charts for you. But we had all this. We on my channel, we nailed every single one of these guys. So some of you guys that are new and you guys are shocked that I'm calling these moves, look at this. Look at this. To the dollar, we nailed the top. And not only did we nail the top, guys, but look at this. This is something I haven't touched this yet. Look at this. We had the W. I drew the W. You guys can see my green line still. We hit our target perfect. Got rejected. I told you we got rejected here. We're coming to the downside. We've been going to the downside ever since. I mean, guys, absolutely incredible. Okay. I mean, look, you can't even make this up. And I can pull this down and show you guys what I'm talking about. Boom. This is where I had my box. If I zoom in right here, you can see I had my box where we were bounced. That was our bounce area. I talked about the bounce area. Then we move this to the top side. I'm going to show you guys to the top side, to our target, right at my green line, to the bottom, right here, to the top. Boom, we nailed it perfect. Guys, we've been nailing these moves before they're happening. All right? Same thing here, guys. Same thing here. We were calling this back here. We got the rejection. I told you guys on Sunday we got up here. I said we're going to go down even farther if we don't get above 45 again. We got rejected there. I said we're going down. We're going down. I mean, I'm giving you guys play-by-play moves. I don't know. I'll be honest with you guys. I don't know what channel has done what I've done so far in 3 months where I've called these almost to the dollar. Some of these moves to the dollar. Okay? And it's been, I mean, even circled here. Look at this. Circled here. We called this move literally at 37,318. I mean, guys, this has been incredible. This move right here, I believe we were actually off by $100 on this one, and I'm just being honest with you. We were off by $100 on this one. Came pretty close, but this we had these moves down here when everybody else was saying, "Oh, we're going to 20,000." I'll never forget it because I was watching everybody else's videos and everybody else was in panic mode. They're talking. This is why I made this channel, because I saw such bad technical analysis, guys, that I wanted to make this channel because I said this is crazy. They're scaring all you guys out of your money with bad technical analysis. I wanted you guys to stay calm. I wanted you guys to know that we were coming down. I wanted you guys to know, guys, if some of you guys follow me on StockTwits, which I know you guys do, I told you up here, this was the high. This was it right here. I mean, for right now anyways. And I said I started shorting up here. I started shorting at $62,000. I wrote it on StockTwits. I said, we're coming down. Then when we were coming down and I saw everybody saying, oh, we're going back. Oh, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip at 50. Oh, you're getting a discount at 47. I went, oh my God, they're telling these guys this is insane. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. So that's when I started my channel over here. And I gave you all these bottoms. Okay? I gave you the bottoms here. Then I told you we're gonna go up, and then I gave you the bounce, and then I gave you the bump and run. Everything, guys. And I'm not a financial advisor. Everything is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But, this is stuff that we go through. We go through this. And I hear, some people, after we got this little bump to the upside, after I made my video being I'm not being negative, guys. I'm just being honest with you guys. Oh, we're going to go to this 4-hour too. And I wasn't being negative with you guys. All right. Because some people took it personally. But look, right here, 4 hour. We got rejected. We talk about this. We got rejected. I want to see this. I want to see a 4 hour getting closed above here to give us a shot to go to the upside. Until then, we're getting rejected here on the hash ribbons. All right. And you could see last time we flipped to this, what happened, guys? We went downhill. Boom. Okay. And I talked about this right here. I said, guys, if we don't get a close above here, we're going back down. Boom. We went back down. I mean, and we got rejected here. 45,000 right at my line. I even have it marked right here. Okay. Now, I'm just trying to help you guys as much as possible. All right. I know there's money involved and there's emotions. And people, were making fun of me yesterday when things went up $1,000. Ooh, Bitcoin went up $1,000 or $1,200. Oh no, actually, I'm sorry, $1,600. Guys, that's not a big move for Bitcoin. Okay, it's just not. I mean, I was expecting it. That's why I told you guys in my video, which I did make a mistake on that because I have this, and I don't know why I did this, but I said, maybe we can get past if we can get past, get a 4 hour or something close over 42,400, which I don't know why I said that when I have 42,686 as my line. And I have it on this chart as well. You guys can look at this old chart right here too. And I do apologize for that. Like I said, that was my bad. Which we ended up getting rejected at 42,640. But hey, either way, we got rejected. It is what it is. All right. But for right now, we are coming down. All the indicators are showing it. Could we get a bounce? Yes, we could, guys. So for some of you guys that make fun of me and say, oh, yeah, we could get a bounce. Like I said, they're going to try to hold this as much as possible. But the more we hit this area, and I'm going to draw a line here, the more we tag this area right here, the weaker it gets. All right. So just keep that in mind. Could there be some good news that comes out? Yes, it could happen. Good news could happen. All right. But in the end, this is what we're looking at. And, I got a lot of negative feedback from some people. But from some of you guys have been watching my videos from the beginning, comment in the section. Make sure these guys know that, like, listen, when we're down here, or I'm sorry, when we're down here, okay, I was bullish when everybody was bearish. Okay? I'm not doing this to be mean, guys. But when we were up here, I was bearish. So if we get rejected here, we're going to go back down. If we clear this, we're going to go to the upside. That's what I was saying. We didn't clear it. We got rejected. And it was a bad rejection. I mean, you could see the candle. Nasty. Okay? So just keep that in mind. We're going to let's look at the daily right here. The daily's not looking so bad, but the day's not done yet. But if we do get a close under 40,800, it could get ugly. So just keep that in mind, guys. So I'm just doing an afternoon update for you guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. But I think I'm going to end this video now. I think I said everything I wanted to say. Make sure you guys sub, hit the bell, hit the all. I'll put a link to Twitter and Webull down in the description so you guys can follow me on Twitter. Also, you can get some free shares on Webull if you deposit $100. Then you can always take your $100 out and at least have some free money or buy some SHIB or do whatever you guys want with it. It'll be free at that point, so it won't really matter. Let's see. We're getting a little bounce here. Let's look at it. Yeah, nothing too major. Just sideways. It's just sideways. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. I'll give you guys an update. Listen, much love to you guys. I made this video way too long. I do apologize for that. I just wanted to clear some things up. But much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys sub to my channel. Hit the thumbs up. That really helps me. And much love to all you guys. Peace out.